it's important for us to acknowledge that Samoan Chinese exist. In the same way that so many people acknowledge afakasi. We are a product of being Samoan as well as being Chinese. It's time for us to celebrate it. I'm Samoan as well as Chinese, so that makes me multi-nesians. There were different waves of Chinese migration into Samoa. The first wave were the free merchants, and the second wave of Chinese were the indentured laborers. My grandfather was part of the second wave. And so the first and the second wave are well assimilated into Samoan culture. So as a descendant of indentured laborer Chinese, I don't think I've ever experienced racism as a Samoan Chinese here in beautiful Samoa. I guess it will be the best achievement ever of my lifetime, is to actually make the connection with my grandfather's family. One of my auntie, her husband, kept a photograph that my grandfather had. It was a photo of my grandfather's cousins. At the time I was living in Tokyo, so I flew over. And when we got there, all I still had was a copy of this photograph. That's all I had to go with. And one of the men in the photograph greeted us, and I was like, oh my God, okay, he is the person in the photo, because he looked like the person in the photo. At that stage, I was still unsure. I was still not really, it's like they're showing us this house. They said my grandfather grew up here. I'm like, okay, What got me though was the letters. So my grandfather had written letters to this family, and they kept all of his letters. You're suddenly immersed in this place that was so foreign yet so familiar, and it was so overwhelming. And I kept thinking, if only my grandfather could just see me now, that sort of feeling. It's like, wow. The ability to be very business savvy. So entrepreneurial skills and also the ability to try and save. The Chinese in me is having savings in the bank account, and the Samoan in me is always looking out for my family. The best thing about being multi-nesian is being aware that our norms are always in transition. Culture is something that we also create, and it changes with time. Tradition is not concrete, and so it's always changing. And when you're aware of things that are always in transition and are changing, you also become aware that your values are not necessarily the values that's normal to someone else, and you become very open to the idea that being different is not a bad thing, it's actually a great thing.